Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can fix the issue of Google search bar getting disappeared from your home screen. See, say for example, if you keep this mobile in your pocket due to the accidental touch or something like that, this widget on your home screen may get disappeared. Means when you press and hold, you'll get this remove option at the top. So if the remove option is accidentally touched, then this Google search bar widget on your home screen will get disappeared. How you can fix this issue? See, currently I'll try to remove this. Okay, just observe this. As soon as I do that, it is saying something like the home screen layout is fixed, locked. See, I'll again show you. See here, the home screen layout is locked. So likewise, you also keep this option on your mobile so that your layout also will get fixed. So for to do that, you need to click on your Android phone settings, and here you can find home and lock screen. See, there is a small note here: from publisher to publisher these options may be different. This is Motorola Edge 50 mobile, and if it is your Realme mobile or Samsung mobile, just find home settings. The options may be slightly different. For me it is like home and lock screen. Under home and lock screen, you need to just click on home settings. Instead, what you can do is directly on the search bar here, you can just search as home settings. Okay, if these options are slightly different for you. For now, I'll go to home settings. Then there will be something like lock home screen layout. So this will be defaultly disabled for you. You just need to enable this. Okay, if it is disabled, for a quick moment what I'll do is, if it is disabled, you will get this option like remove here. Okay, if it is enabled, this whole home screen will be locked, so the Google search bar on your home screen won't get disappear from now on. So I hope you like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. And this is the Protronics mouse, and this is the Lenovo AMD Ryzen 56.5U laptop.